Osteoporosis. Osteo is bones, and porosis means porous, holes, little holes in bones. What do you do about osteoporosis? There's a couple of things that you can do. You can take drugs forever. If you want to do that, then that's one option. If you want to know what I do, well, I use nutrition. And there's a particular fruit that is especially good at remineralizing bones. It's quite surprising, but it works, and there's a lot of literature out there about that. And the fruit is prunes, believe it or not. So a prune is a dried plum. And these are really, really good. 6 to 8 of these a day. If you're constipated, prunes can loosen your bowels. So that's quite a lot to have, but that's really what the research says. 6 to 8 a day is going to remineralize your bones really quite quickly. I've actually done this in clinic with a patient. She did this for about 6 weeks, had a before and after bone mineral density scan, and got about 6 to 8%, 6 to 8%. Remineralization of her bones, which clinically is quite significant. She went from being osteopenic to having normal bone mineral density. So that was a pretty awesome result. So maybe you can't tolerate 6 to 8 a day. Maybe that's too much for you. Well, that's okay. Start with 2 or 3, 3 or 4 even. Even start with 1. One's better than nothing. But prunes, dried plums are particularly effective at remineralizing bones. That's what I do in clinic, and I see that work really, really well. So if you've got a problem, or maybe you've got your mum or a sister or an auntie or whatever, women, over the age of 50, they quite often have to deal with this. Some guys have this problem too, but this is quite a safe and effective treatment protocol for remineralizing bones. Yes, there are other minerals that you need. There's other ways to do it, but I find that that's a pretty passive way of giving medicine. Prunes to fix bones. Who would have thought? Give it a try.